Hey, I'm Fish. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna try again, a different place. I gotta pick up something bright. As this is not bright until the sun comes out. Yes, indeed. We're gonna see what Home Depot has inside. It looks like I gotta make a detour, take a different road to where I need to get. You ever been inside here? I have. Watched the wedding, watched a Baptist, and yes, indeed, I was invited from a friend. A beautiful place indeed. I gotta figure out why. I got a time. Come on, stand by. I wonder how bright or flickering that sign is on 30 frames per second. Well, we're here. The sun is up. You can see the colors. But not this particular way. We're early, not late. I gotta pick up a lot, but not much. Let's turn quickly. You think he's driving on 3 wheels? We'll slowly walk. The gates are down. I gotta see if they got propane. If not, then I gotta come back another day. It looks like they got tanks, enough for me to go get. Just enough for me. While the store is getting ready to open within a minute or two. Leftovers. Soon to be planted somewhere, but not here. All the veggies are gone. Just got sunflowers that are left. Let's go get what I need to go get and get it done.
Every minute counts. That's why level or blind.
So as I wait for propane, the sun is coming up by the trees. The city garbage cans. That's not a bad price. I don't think I paid as much as that. So as we walk over to the side, there's the sunrise. There's no Halloween things in Home Depot yet, but Lowe's already started. It's just way too early. Maybe the end of September? Yeah, we all prepared. No, we was prepared in beginning of July or so. Guess $2.97. That is cheaper than $3.09. Oh, a crisp shot of the sunrise. What a beautiful day it's going to be. Got my gas for the barbecue. Well, I am Fish. Been a pleasure on this day out. Well, I got an LED lighted home that's round that I'm going to use. Remote control rather than have these LEDs with switches. Chain pulled ones. It's sold for $15 for a 3-foot, $20 for a 4-foot, but they're all plug-in. I need one that's direct. I could have cut it. I could have edited it in. I chose to put it away and get it for another day. Well, on that note, I'm not in. I'm inside the car of the tunnel of yellow. The tunnel of yellow.